Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about conditional statements in C++. What are conditional statements? Discuss their types. When we use them? Conditional statements in C++ are used to make decisions based on the evaluation of a condition. In other words, they allow the program to execute certain statements or blocks of code based on whether a certain condition is true or false. Let's talk about their types. C++ has three types of conditional statements: if-else, and nested if statements. First, we will discuss if statement. The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. General syntax of if statement: if condition, code to be executed if condition is true. What is if-else statement? The if-else statement is used to execute one block of code if the condition is true, and another block of code if the condition is false. General syntax of if-else statement: if condition, code to be executed if condition is true. Else, code to be executed if condition is false. The nested if statement is used when a condition has to be checked within another condition. General syntax of nested if statement: if condition 1, if condition 2, code to be executed if both condition 1 and condition 2 are true. Conditional statements are very useful in programming because they allow the program to make decisions and respond to different situations in a flexible and dynamic way. They are used in many different types of applications, from simple programs to complex software systems. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks.